Ukraine is turning to NATO for a major new package of equipment to deal with what it says is widespread explosive contamination across the country. A formal request from Ukraine's State Emergency Service, circulated through NATO's Euro-Atlantic Disaster Response Coordination Center, asks allied and partner countries for help with humanitarian demining and explosive ordnance disposal. The request comes as Ukraine says unexploded ordnance continues to pose a serious danger to civilians and critical infrastructure. And the scale of the request is striking. Ukraine is asking for 1,700 tactical ballistic goggles, 1,700 protective ballistic belts, 1,700 load-bearing pouch kits, and 1,700 large transport bags. It also wants 700 hearing protection headsets, 200 lightweight EOD suits, 100 heavy bomb suits, and 150 magnetometers capable of detecting metallic objects at depths of up to 6 meters. The list shows this is not a request for a handful of mine detectors. It is a broad package designed to equip large numbers of explosive ordnance specialists. Ukraine is also asking for technology that allows dangerous explosives to be handled from a distance. The document requests 100 blasting machines, 100 remote detonation systems, and 100 telescopic EOD manipulators. The manipulators are designed to allow specialists to inspect, grasp, move, and neutralize explosive items without approaching them directly. The request also includes 200 portable power stations and 200 portable endoscopes, along with 1,700 helmet-mounted action cameras for documenting demining operations. But there is another striking part of the request: underwater demining. Ukraine is seeking 20 umbilical supply diving systems, 10 surface-based air supply and diver communication systems, and 50 underwater metal detectors. It is also asking for 10 Tethys-1 autonomous underwater vehicles. According to the request, these systems would be used for inspections, searches, and monitoring in difficult aquatic environments, including swift currents and zero visibility conditions, reducing the danger to divers. And perhaps the most eye-catching item on the list, Ukraine wants 100 robotic systems for reconnaissance and the remote neutralization of munitions. The request cites systems such as the Digital Vanguard ST or equivalent. These robots are intended to help EOD specialists detect and dispose of hazardous devices without putting personnel directly in harm's way. Together with the underwater systems and remote manipulators, the request points to a much broader technological approach to explosive ordnance clearance. But there is an important caveat. NATO has not announced that it will provide this entire package. The EADRCC has circulated Ukraine's request to NATO allies and partner countries, inviting nations able to assist to respond. The center says it can coordinate offers and delivery. For Ukraine, the objective is clear: expand its ability to clear explosive ordnance and protect civilians and infrastructure, particularly in regions subjected to the most intense attacks. The question now is how many NATO allies will answer this request, and how quickly.